Hey guys, Gastang here, and today's a special day. We have our first ever YouTube cooking video put together. It is something that is very special to me. It is a low and slow barbecue recipe. It is sous vide, and it is amazing. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, comment, all the good stuff you YouTubers are always saying. Let's get this video started. We've got cinnamon, turmeric, garlic powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, cumin, light brown sugar, salt, and pepper. This is inspired by Gugas Rub. We're going to lightly season both sides of each piece of meat, and then we're going to get to the vacuum seal. So let's do it. Alright, hit it with our rub. I still want a little bit more smoked paprika on there for color. And just a little bit more chili powder. And rub that nice, beautiful seasoning in there. Alright, let's vacuum this up now, huh? Got some apple and cherry wood here. Alright, we got our master built smoker here. I like to warm her up to about 200. I got her at 210 right now. Let's just put her back to 200. She's at 128 right now, 129, heating up. And now the fun begins. Now we wait. We wait for the magic to unfold. We'll start seeing some smoke develop in about 30 minutes or so once the wood gets hot enough. But yeah, we'll check in a couple hours.
That's what we're looking for right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, the bone just fell right out.